This video is not at all the sponsored video. This is my personal suggestion that I have been using this channel so as to get the job notification, because it happens some of the time that we even don't get the chance so as to appear for a test. So for that purpose you may follow this channel so as to get at least a chance so as to give a test for it, so that after that you may not be having the excuse that you didn't get the chance so as to appear for the various exams. I'm here to help you for that, and that's why I have made this video. Hi there, myself Shubham Sharma, and in today's video I would be telling you about the best YouTube channel so as to get the job notification for the various IT job out there, especially for the freshers. Okay, whether you are from any branch like computer science, mechanical, electronics, civil, or any branch out there, then the one channel which I would suggest you is by name Tech Program Mind. Okay, I have been following this channel from last 3 to 4 months out there. Okay, and I found it one of the best channels so as to get the job notification specifically. If you know any other channel other than this, then you may mention it in the comment section, and all of us would be happy to read it, because it's gonna be helpful for all of us out there. So do mention in the comment section if you know any other channel which gives the one of the best job notification for IT jobs out there. If you want me to make more such informative videos, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so that I get motivated so as to make more and more informative videos for you. That's all for today's video. I would meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.